A pendant is what kind of jewelry? Necklace, bracelet, ring, or tiara? Okay, Cortázar, necklace, bracelet, ring, or tiara? Cortez necklace. What the curious residents traditionally twitch to keep an eye on their neighbors? Safety curtain, net curtain, iron curtain, or shower curtain? B. Net curtain. Final answer. Which of these animals is not a reptile? Newt, alligator, cobra, or terrapin? A. Newt. Final answer. Which of these is a herb which has jagged leaves covered with stinging hairs? Rosemary, sage, nettle, or fennel? C. Nettle. Final answer. In which county is Sandringham House? Suffolk, Norfolk, Gloucestershire, or Wiltshire? B. Norfolk. Final answer. Which of these is not a question category in the standard game of Trivial Pursuit? Entertainment, history, nuclear physics, or geography? C. Nuclear physics. Final answer. What is the most common name for a shopkeeper who sells newspapers and magazines? News merchant, news dealer, news agent, or news broker? C. News agent. Final answer. Which of these pastas is not Italian? Lasagna, spaghetti, macaroni, or noodle? D. Noodle. Final answer. The Cook Islands form a territory of which country? Papua New Guinea, Great Britain, Australia, or New Zealand? 50-50. Computer, please take away 2 of the random wrong answers. Great Britain or New Zealand? D. New Zealand. Final answer. Which of these mobile phone brands is Finnish? Nokia, Samsung, Apple, or Huawei? A. Nokia. Final answer. Which of these sports does not have a net across the middle of the court? Tennis, netball, badminton, or volleyball? B. Netball. Final answer. Which of these gases is found on Earth? Helium, carbon dioxide, radon, or nitrogen? D. Nitrogen. Final answer. Which of these sports organizations did Andrew Armstrong play for? MLB, NFL, WNBA, or FIFA? B. NFL. Final answer. Which of these is not a country? Northern Ireland, North Korea, North Macedonia, or North Africa? D. North Africa. Final answer. The town of Wadi Halfa in Sudan stands on which river? Nile, Orange, Niger, or Limpopo? C. Niger. Final answer. Okay, good, this is Nile. $2, please.